Imagine you're just living your life, and suddenly, an uninvited guest crashes the party. I'm not talking about your weird cousin, I'm talking about bacteria. They've just breached your body's first line of defense, your skin. What happens next is an epic battle fought on a microscopic scale, happening inside you right now. First, the alarm bells ring. Damaged cells at the invasion site release chemical signals like a flare shot into the sky. This is the signal for the first responders of your immune system, the macrophages. These are like the neighborhood watch, constantly patrolling your tissues. When they encounter the bacterial invaders, they don't hesitate, they literally eat them. It's a process called phagocytosis, and it's as wild as it sounds. They engulf the bacteria whole, breaking them down into harmless pieces. But what if the invasion is too big for the local patrol to handle? The macrophages send out more chemical messengers called cytokines. Think of these as a call for backup, a 911 call to the entire immune system. This call triggers inflammation. Your blood vessels in the area expand, making it easier for reinforcements to arrive. That's why the spot might get red, swollen, and warm. It's a sign that your army is gathering. Now, the elite forces arrive, the neutrophils. These are the kamikaze soldiers of your immune system. They rush to the scene in massive numbers, devouring bacteria like there's no tomorrow. They fight so fiercely that they often die in battle, forming the main component of what we know as pus. It's a bit gross, but it's a sign of a battle well fought. Meanwhile, your body might turn up the heat, literally causing a fever. This isn't just a random symptom, it's a strategic move. A higher body temperature makes it harder for bacteria to multiply and actually helps your immune cells work faster and more efficiently. Your body is creating a hostile environment for the enemy. But the real genius of your immune system is its memory. As the battle rages, special cells called B cells and T cells are learning to recognize the specific type of bacteria. The B cells create custom-made weapons called antibodies. These antibodies are like smart tags. They latch onto the bacteria, marking them for destruction. The T cells are the commanders and assassins, coordinating the attack and killing off any of your own cells that have been infected. Once the battle is won, most of these cells will stand down. But some of them, the memory cells, stick around for years, sometimes for your entire life. If the same bacteria ever try to invade again, these memory cells will recognize them instantly and launch a response so fast and powerful that you might not even feel a thing. You become immune. So, the next time you feel a little under the weather, remember the incredible, microscopic war being waged inside you. Your body is a fortress, and your immune system is its tireless, brilliant army. Thanks for watching. If you found this journey into your body fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing science. Stay curious.